Welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video I'm going to be installing the rear rotors on this vehicle. You can see that there's quite a bit of a gap between this shield over here and the rotor, and the reason for that is because the offset of this rotor is a little bit different compared to the stock rotor over there. So I had to make spaces to space the carrier out so that it would fit properly and work properly. So you can see everything is installed on the side and it does work. It's just a little bit tight because I didn't squeeze the piston just to give it a tight fit, so it should wear out while normal driving and it should be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna start on the other side and get that side the same as this. And there we have it. It's finally completed and installed. So that took a little bit longer than expected because the original bolts that were holding the carrier in place were a bit different compared to the bolts on the other side. So they were hex head or Allen head bolts instead of your normal type of bolt. So the side is done, and with that the back is complete. So now I can go ahead and put the wheels back on after giving this a good clean. And that wraps up the rear brake installation. So gotten both wheels on and it's all done. Fortunately on the fronts they've already been done. These are the uprights from the S6, which is the same as the B5 S4. So now this car has all new brakes and discs and pads, and in the front new calipers. So I've just removed all of the covers from the engine bay so that I can clean up the area a little bit more. As you can see, it is full of dirt and dust and sand, so I'm gonna get stuck into this, cleaning it out. So these are the covers that I took out from the engine bay. As you can see, they're filthy, so once I'm done cleaning up in the engine bay, I'll get to these. So I've just completed washing the side of the engine bay where it was quite dirty. You can see if you compare it to what's on this side, it's quite a big difference. So now I'm going to start cleaning the side over here, and then I will get to the covers that go over this place.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So now I'm going to start cleaning those covers that go into the engine bay. They're full of dust, dirt, sand and oil, so this may take longer than I anticipated, but at least they'll be clean once they're done. So let's get to it.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to
completed cleaning all of these covers and the hardware that goes with it. So I'm just going to hit these out with a mallet so that they're nice and straight, and then I will reinstall them on the car.
Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Okay, now that these are relatively flat, I'm going to install them into the vehicle and then just pound them out so that they can match the contours of the tunnel that they go into.
Wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings.
So my battery just died on my phone, and I wasn't able to record most of the installation of this heat shield. So it's been installed, and I also sorted out the bracket for the ABS pump. So now I need to go through these wires and sort out what's going on with regard to them being chewed up and them not having plugs. So I'll just tape them together, label them as miscellaneous 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I will wrap them in material tape, and I will wait to do a bit of research to find out what these wires were plugged into and what they're for.
And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
So I didn't realize that I had already cleaned all of the plugs on this side. Well, these two, these I cleaned now, but these plugs over here, although they look a little bit dirty, they had already been cleaned previously. So yeah, that's all done. These two over here, I had to pin them out and or remove them and recrimp the connectors because they had been completely damaged by the previous owner. So that's all the time that I have today to work on this car, so I'll probably upload another video soon. But thanks for watching and stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.
Gravity.